It's day 3. Smoking another Wild Rush Swisher Sweet. Day 3, I suck a roll of blunts, but oh, look at that! Look at that fucking hole. But this motherfucker's smoking. Got this beautiful view behind me. Beautiful view behind me. Where's that? This one's just casually sitting. I didn't even know. How long have you been like that? So I'm doing the blunt. I'm doing the coffee. I'm doing the window thing. It's fucking beautiful. This is my favorite spot. I've been here literally. If I haven't been sleeping or causing a ruckus in Crusted Butte somewhere, I've been in this fucking spot. And I don't know. Oh, I almost ashed in my coffee. Yeah, I'm listening to Botanical Chango. Got the fucking fire. You hear that crackle, pop, sweet crinkle, boy. I don't know. Alright. Alright. There's something about the snow that like just doesn't make me feel guilty for just staying inside all day. Smoke a blitz. Just doing shit on my phone. Like, this is what vacation looks like. This is what vacation looks like.
I'm wedging myself into my truck via axe because it's fucking frozen shut. Got the radio back in, sorta. Faceplate's over there because it's just easier without it. 4x4 switch is not hooked up at the switch. I had to kind of push it all the way down in the back, and I have the switch right here. I'm not gonna plug it in yet. I'm gonna kind of zip tie it maybe here to keep it protected, or I don't know, find a better place for it. But at least now I have radio when I have 4x4, which I'm sure I'm gonna need. That's snow life. My truck is sporting that mean snow cap. We've been working at this for about how long, you think? Like an hour? Hour and a half even? But if you ask me, this shit is impeccable. Ranger coming through with the work light. Oh shit! Good one on the reel. This is like fucking the weapon you get when you beat the video game on expert.
It does has a scope on it and shit.
Just walk around after that. All the aliens that were hard, you just taking them all out. This thing is something fucking else.
Yeah, that's a big one.
Someone else grab it. My boyhood instinct wants to break the shit out of it.
I'm gonna break
it.
Oh, these just look like your average bitch ass icicle now.
Your average bitch ass icicle. There you go. Sculpting.
I feel like we definitely gotta.
Here I go. Oh, my light.
Yeah.
Look at how sketchy these motherfuckers are. Just. The layers. I got you. Oh, fuck. That ice pick right there.
Oh, this is super light.
Alright, grab me now. Trading places.
Hold on. So,
yeah.
Like magic.
The ends earlier.
Yeah.
We took so much snow off of the fucking roof that
Yeah,
you
we're
just
done.
fucking
That's
step on.
Hell yeah, we're done.
I just want one more big one to come off. It'll be so satisfying.
I mean, this is
Colorado stick. Getting ready for the road. Boom. Boom. Dabs for the road, dabs for the road. I'm leaving Crusted Butte. It's a bummer I didn't get to go snowing this morning, or fucking skiing this morning, but it's all good. It's 11 a.m. I'm hitting the road. Hopefully I'll be able to get to fucking Crusted, or fucking Denver by like 3 or 4, I'm hoping. Hit a couple museums. We'll see what's up. Getting the essentials to survival right now. We got what? Zip ties, propane, drinking water. That's good. About to rep the Walmart sticker. Flat. That way when I'm cutting people off, they'll smile. And the zip tie right up here to get these spark plug wires off of the header right there. You could even see the little mark where the fucking spark plug wire was burning. So that's no good. Throw a zip tie. Dash cam all mounted up. Zip tie's looking crazy on here, but hey, suction didn't work. Look at that 5C. By the way, everything that I've done this entire trip has been done off of this phone, with a little bit of help from Ryan's fucking phone as well. But goddamn, this 5C's putting in work. Let's get it. Going up Monarch Pass. It's a little sketchy. Still in 2-wheel drive. Fucking first gear, doing like 25. Just coasting. It's fucking gnarly out here. Off of 50 and 285. And I noticed last night I did this to my bumper in the snow bank when I was snow drifting. Also a little bit of that through. And what I just noticed right now. Ooh. That's fucking snow bank drift points. Bad street cred. It doesn't look like it's too bad. It should just fucking pop out. Alright, I'm doing like 70, 75 up Interstate 285. Or I actually don't know if it's an interstate, but Highway 285 to Denver. It is right now 3 o'clock, like 2:54 or 2:56, and I'm fucking trying to get to Denver before 5 to go to this fucking museum that has a lowrider. Trying to go see some fucking lowriders and maybe come up on some Taco Tuesday deals. So this here's my visibility right now. This is where I usually try to look out of. This here's my visibility. No good. No good. All right, it's like 3:42 right now. 45 minutes to Denver, so it looks like I'm gonna make it. Like I said, I'm trying to get there before 5. I'm pretty sure I can fucking do that, and hopefully I could get to these motherfucking lowriders. I don't know what the fuck traffic is like out here. Like, the only traffic that I've dealt with this entire trip is from fucking snowplows, so pretty neat. Nature, that's pretty neat. So I just got pulled over for the second time in Colorado. This time for doing 63 and a 45. Ended up with just another business card. They searched my truck. I didn't really want them to, but all I had was a couple grams of weed, and I know that it's legal here, so I was like, fuck it. If I don't, I feel like if I didn't let them, I just felt like they were gonna be dicks. So I just let them search my truck. Now I'm definitely not gonna. I think I had a chance before I got pulled over, but that kind of fucked everything up. Good news is though, I turned around this little bitch, and I should have a lot of him shuffling through my stuff on that fucking camera memory card. So
mountains and it's snowing. Crazy.
yeah. Just passing cars. Oh, it's right here.
Right here?
Yeah. Me waiting on the cop. This fool tells me to get out.
I'm so scared. There he is. There he is. Oh shit. Oh, there he is. Fucking guy. Fucking Colorado's finest, huh? I don't know what the fuck he's saying. That sucks that there's so much like feedback on the video that the audio's all fucked up.
Yeah. This fool tries to like move your seat and it's busted.
That was so funny. That's like the main reason why I want to record this is just for the seat part.
So good. This guy's got purple glasses shades. See it?
Yeah.
Are they purple?
I can't tell if it might be like that blue type, and my whole interior is blue. So I think it's reflecting. Because his hair looks kind of blue too. Oh, here comes the seat.
This fool, man. It doesn't work. This guy's like so pissed. He goes,
I'm glad he didn't break it. Look, I think he comes back to try again. He's working on it the whole time.
you got his business card. That's so funny.
Never sue.
Patty. Where her owner is, but I just left her a voicemail, so hopefully I get a call soon. She obviously loves the truck because she's look at her. So I'm gonna hang out here for a little bit and then either go get some Taco Tuesday or some sushi. That's what I've been looking at. And oh, you like sushi? I think we do. Okay. All right, so hopefully we get Patty to her home. So I cruised around the corner to see if maybe there was somebody out here, but there are fucking so many houses in this little neighborhood. I had no idea. So I think I'm just gonna have to leave her back at the condo. Arepa. I don't know what the fuck it was, but that shit was fucking bomb. And I also at this spot called Root down in Denver. This shit is fire. And I also had 3 jerk chicken wings, no pickles. The chicken jerk wings. Fire. No pickles. Hold the pickles. Keep the pickles in the kitchen. Don't bring that shit near me. And I got a couple IPAs. But if you're ever in fucking Denver, Root down, bomb food, happy hour. I think it's like 4 to 6:30, and I happened to get there on happy hour, which is great because that shit was expensive, but the most poppin' happy hour ever. Goddamn. Let's see what happens.
I've had like the craziest luck with tires.
I fuck up tires all the time.
I mean, I do.
But I be off-roading and shit though. I'm not just Ubering a minivan.
I know, right?
Is there even air in that tire?
Yeah.
Okay.
I had to use this. Me and my lady were in New Mexico less than a month ago, and I got a flat tire.
Nice. Let me see that tire.
Yeah, dude, look at this. Over here.
Oh my god.
Right?
No way.
How the fuck did that happen?
They literally went like through here, out there.
And then there's like 2 pieces coming out.
That's insane. Yeah, that's crazy.
And look, dude, this shit's fucking brand new.
Yeah, that sucks. Yeah, I mean this tire's
cool, man.
What kind of music did you say was in that little basement spot?
I'm trying to think, because I know it's either Monday or Tuesday. For one day they do open mic, and the other day they do a jazz jam.
Okay.
I can't remember which one's which. Larimer tends to have more like rock and shit, some hip hop, but more rock. Cold Crush is like straight.
This is Colorado aesthetic right here. You got the camo ski jacket, lime green ski pants, with the motherfucking toe shoes.
Out here with the fucking lyrics. He's got bars.
Lopez.
There's Lopez out here. They got the same goddamn beanie, but they're the opposite person.
We're brothers, man.
But the exact goddamn same thing.
Oh yeah.
That's 2007.
I could have been there. We could have been there. I should have been there. Floating away.
So I just left whatever that place is. I'm hopping in the Colorado Prius right now. Am I not hopping in this? Look at how disgusting this is. How do you live like this? This is the last.
This car, the lease is up.
Oh, so you're just gonna fucking
I'm just gonna be like, here's trash.
hoarder.
Motherfucking Toyota Corporation that stole $12,000 of me. Since I don't want to pay another $14,000 for this piece of shit. Used, it's $16,000.
Yeah!
Yeah,
Fuck yeah! Goddamn.
is Colorado Insta Weed. Bottle shake, mini pipe, scoop, pull, we got a bowl.
Scoop pull and you got a bowl. Hey, I'm about to smoke this not on camera.
The city's been changing. There's people talking, trying to move on now. Remain puff past, trying to relax, but this city pulls me under. It's like I'm dreaming and I've come so far. I didn't think anything could last this long. It's like I'm dreaming and it's gone too far. I didn't think any high could last this long. We make music like we're sitting at the beach. In reality, we're running through the streets. Denver, Colorado, you got what I need. I say, Colorado, you got what I need. We make music like we're sitting at the beach. In reality, we're running through the streets. Denver, Colorado, you got what I need. I say, Colorado, you got what I need. La-da-ba, la-da-da, la-da-ba, yeah. La-da-da-da, la-da-ba, la-da-ba, la-da-ba. La-da-da-da-da.